blizzard-like conditions. Well, not quite, but it certainly was a real wintry mix this morning. And at the moment, across England and Wales, we're left with a legacy of cloud. It really isn't very pleasant out there right now. Spots of drizzle, temperatures are struggling. We're only talking about highs of 5 or 6 degrees Celsius across the southeast of the UK, so not a very nice second half of the afternoon here. Well, maybe the very eastern tips of Kent here could see something a little bit brighter. Now, the further west we swing, the slightly thinner the cloud gets. We could even see some brightness for southern coasts of Devon and Cornwall. Here the temperature's higher as well. Some big temperature contrasts. For example, in Plymouth around 10 degrees, Southampton 5 Celsius. A fairly grey day for Wales as well. Maybe the Clean Peninsula will get a little bit of brightness. But the place to be today is across the north of the UK for Northern Ireland and Scotland. Some lovely weather around, some spring sunshine, and Edinburgh could well be the warmest day today, with temperatures up to 13. Now, overnight tonight, the cloud essentially stays where it is right now. Towards Kent and Sussex, maybe a touch of ground frost where the skies clear early in the night, but the real frosty weather tonight, winter weather, is across Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the sheltered glens, dipping down to around about -3 degrees. Additionally, we'll have some very dense fog patches, so watch out for those first thing in the morning. Now, around about 8 o'clock, temperatures in town and city centres probably just above freezing, but still they could be well below freezing in the sheltered glens at 8 o'clock. The further south we swing, the warmer the air is, or less cold. We're talking around about 6 degrees or so. Cloudy conditions. In fact, the weather across most of England tomorrow morning will be very similar to what we had this morning, apart from the snow, so don't worry about that. As we swing towards the southwest of the UK, again around 5 degrees, fairly cloudy conditions, maybe a bit of brightness developing later on in the morning. There you go, Cardiff 6 Celsius, Aberystwyth 5 degrees. Then the further north we go, the skies across Northern Ireland will be Aegean clear, but at the surface, again, dense fog patches and a cold and frosty morning will greet us in Belfast as well. Now, Friday morning itself, and as we head towards lunchtime, not a lot changes with the weather. It still stays cloudy across most of England and Wales. In fact, even pockets of drizzle in the afternoon in the east, but it's Scotland and Northern Ireland, perhaps some of these western fringes of England and Wales that could see a little bit of brightness. And looking into the weekend, well, it's a little bit split, to be honest. Saturday's the good day, where we could see some brightness, particularly across Cardiff and Belfast. But by the time we get to Sunday, it'll be cloudy. So that's how it's looking.
Thank you very much.